This is Chris Kelly with the fourth and final preview video for our upcoming Peak Challenge cycle, Satan's Countdown. Alright, this is appropriately named because this workout is from hell. It's horrible. It's one of my oldest favorites here now, so I've adapted it for our challenge. Alright, so Satan's Countdown is very simple. We're going to start with 3 exercises that we perform for 20 reps each. Each exercise we perform back to back, we move down to 19. Alright, each exercise we perform back to back, we go down to 18. Alright, so this is a huge step up from the 10 to 1 that we were doing several months ago. Alright, it's really going to challenge your endurance. Alright, so I'm going to give you the exercise and I'll give you a couple subs as well. Alright, so for our first exercise, we have a lateral push-up over a band. Alright, so I set my exercise band down, I perform a push-up, and I crawl across. Alright, now if you don't have that, what I want you to do is simply crawl across. So that would be 1 as I crawl to one side, 2 as I crawl to the other side. Exercise 2 would just be a alternate step up. Alright, so I want to get a chair or a bench, whatever I have access to. I can either incorporate a jump or I can simply step up and down. Alright, but each step would be 1. So that would be 1, that would be 2. Again, I'm going for 20. Third exercise is just a squat the band pull back. So I have the band here, looped around my hands. I squat down, I come up, I pull. Simple as that, 20 reps. Alright, so we looked at some for the push-ups. For the step, I would just, a couple things that you could do. You put the step up next to a wall, use the wall as a counterbalance, especially if you have knee problems. If that still bothers you, you could use a smaller step. Alright, now a sub that I would use, rather than step up, would simply be a reverse lunge. So I step backwards, step together, step backwards, step together. Same deal that we're alternating, just a different exercise, all right? The band pull back, if you can't get that full range of motion squat, simply squat down to a chair, come back up, and pull. All right, what I'm looking for is to see how far you can get from 20 to 1 in a period of 10 minutes. Nobody's ever made it down that ladder other than me, all right? So you beat me, you're getting a prize. Let me know how you do. Look forward to your results.